This is question 3 from November 2008 Mod 1 Foundation. John and Pam are joggers. The table shows the mean and the range of the number of miles that John and Pam jog per day over 1 month. We've got to compare the means and the ranges by completing these sentences. So, they're jogging, and it's how many miles they jog per day over a month. John is mean. Now the mean is an average. So John, on average, jogs 2.5 miles a day. Pam, on average, jogs 1.2 miles per day. So the means tell us that John jogs further than Pam. And that's all you need to write down. John jogs further than Pam jogs. And if you write that down, you get the first mark. Now the next thing you've got to do is look at the ranges. John's range is 6, Pam's range is 4. If John's got a bigger range, that means sometimes he does really long jogs and sometimes he does really small ones, very short ones. Whereas Pam's range is smaller, that means she usually does more of the same distance jogs. So a big range means that somebody jogs more, big and small. They're not always a similar size. A smaller range means they always do the same sort of thing. And the word to use to doing the same sort of thing is consistent. So we can say here that Pam's jogs are more consistent. And that's a good word to try to remember. Consistent. It means that they're usually similar sort of length. They're not very spread out. They're all probably round about 6 or 7 miles. Sorry, that's miles, sorry. They're all about 1.2 or 1.3, 1.4 miles. They're always the same sort of distance. So that's question 3. There's 1 mark there for each.